Welcome back to the Silverman Show. My guest today is Maria Dimakas, and an expert on condominium law. And somebody phoned in, didn't want to stay on the line, but however had a very good question. Mm-hmm. What happens when the condo has a court-appointed administrator? What are the rules of the game then?
The rules change entirely. Condominiums are governed naturally by a board of directors, and your board of directors may consist of 3, 5, or maybe more individuals who have that discretionary power to govern your operating, maintenance, and repair obligations, and also govern your community, or at least establish governance measures for your community. Where there is a court-appointed administrator, the authority of the board of directors is taken away entirely. So your
Can
board
I just interrupt for 1 second? Maria, why would somebody be appointed in the first place?
Well, the common circumstances where there is a court-appointed administrator is where a condominium corporation has just ceased to function. And you can cease to function for any number of reasons. One, you're just in extreme financial difficulty. We've had some condominiums that have gone into administratorship because they have a $10 million or $7 million deficit. They cannot raise funds. There are revolving doors of boards of directors. In other words, there are requisitions and elections to remove and appoint boards. No one is capable or even has the ability under the circumstances to function. And an owner, in some cases, in other cases, a director themselves may go to court to appoint an administrator. And in those circumstances, the person who is appointed as the administrator steps into the shoes entirely of the board of directors and governs the condo as he or she may see fit, of course, within the confines of the Condominium Act.
Oh, they have to adhere to the Condominium Act.
They have to adhere to the Condominium Act, and they have to adhere to the four corners of the order, the court order appointing them. There may be certain restrictions in the court order. It may be carte blanche in the court order. There may be certain limitations, but they have to adhere, of course, to the Condominium Act, the governing documents of the condo, declaration, bylaws, and rules, and the court order appointing them.
Okay, we have Joyce from Brampton.
Yes, I live in a condominium townhouse. The same rules apply to townhouses as it does to condominium apartments regarding the HST stuff?
Oh, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Unfortunately, townhouse condos are not exempt.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
A condo is a condo. If it quacks like a condo, walks like a condo, and looks like a condo, it's a condo.
That's right.
Mm-hmm. So we can expect that to be on the maintenance fee that we pay?
And that's correct. You can expect starting July 1st, 2010, yes.
I see.
Get out there and start lobbying the government. Get your people together. Send in petitions. There's nothing like public opinion to turn a government around.
Now, remember, it's not a tax on your common expenses. It's a tax on the services that form your common expenses. So if for a townhouse condo, the typical services you may have, maybe landscaping, snow removal, garbage pickup, you will have the HST applied to those services. And the combined effect, of course, is that it will be filtered through into your common expenses on a month-by-month basis.
I see. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, thank you.
I have to put up a for sale sign now.
Oh, please don't do that. You might find out at the end of the day. This is coming in July the 1st. Between now and July the 1st, in political terms, is a lifetime. Mm-hmm. And there's every chance that the government of the day, looking at the number of people living in condos in Toronto, where there's a lot of key constituencies, and this is essentially liberal territory.
That's right.
They are going to be...
You know what I do not understand? Like, I am on a fixed income. I'm retired.
Exactly.
Where is this extra money going to come from to pay for these things?
Okay, I'm going to have to leave you on that note for the moment because we're going into a break.